When I tried to launch the game, I got this error. Cannot start de novo service. To fix this problem, you need to go to Windows Security, click on the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes option and select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder. In my case, Need for Speed Unbound and select folder option. Once you selected the game folder, go back to virus and threat protection. Select this protection history option. Click on the drop down in thread found and select yes option. As you can see, it's game related file. Select action and select allow on device option and select yes. Do the same thing for another one. Game file, select action and select allow on device. Once you've done this, scroll down and find if any other files are listed related to the game. Once you've done this process, just close it up here and now you can launch the game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.